Hello and welcome. I'm Haley Stewart, the principal at the Early Childhood Education Center, and it is with great joy and great pride that I welcome you to the 2020-2021 school year. We are excited to have our kids back in the building because we are better together. And so we're excited to hear that love of learning and see that love of learning and to hear the infectious laughter and love that we need from our kids and our kids need from us. And so we're excited about this year. We're looking forward to a lot of great things. We're excited about our children being involved in that play-based learning where they get to engage in curiosity and creativity. We're excited about the children to be involved in the arts integration where they get to emerge into the different forms of art. We're excited that our children will get to take place with outdoor learning and get to engage with one another. And so we're just excited about this year and the opportunities that's going to come from it. We're also thankful for a district that believes in our kids and the safety of our children. And so we are so thankful as a parent, as an administrator, I can speak to the fact of I know our children will be safe because of the enhancements that our district have made throughout this time, such as more opportunities to sanitize and more opportunities to have those safety protocols emerged into our champs and different forms of our day. And so as a parent, as an administrator, I am looking forward to a wonderful year with all of you, and we are better together.